Okay, we are back on the expedition. So did the timing set, all good with that, but we have developed a miss under load, particularly when we're going up very steep hills. Engine time tends to cough a little bit and moan a little bit and just be sluggish overall. So I know from experience that's typically coil on plugs. This engine has almost 250,000 miles on it now, and these coil on plugs are getting older. You notice the one on the left there has a little greenish white corrosion. The one on the right I have cleaned already. Pretty simple to do. You just need a 7mm socket, unplug the connector, pull all 8 of the coil-on plugs and boots out. Find yourself a little brush. I found this guy here works the best. I just kind of jam it down into the hole in the middle and then twist it, and it cleans it up real nice. Then, of course, we need some dielectric grease to put on the end there and the spark plug end before we put it back together. So this will apply to all 4 Triton engines, 5.4, 4.6, really anything with a coil-on plug.